Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete a scheduled meeting on Zoom Workplace. If you want to delete an upcoming scheduled meeting on Zoom, first of all, open up your Zoom application on your device, and then from the home page of Zoom after logging in, you will see your scheduled meeting on the meetings page. To delete the upcoming meeting, go ahead and tap on the meeting, and then from the meeting details page, click on delete. Confirm that you'd like to delete this meeting. You can also recover this meeting within 7 days from the recently deleted page on the Zoom web portal. To confirm, tap on delete meeting, and there you have successfully deleted the upcoming scheduled meeting in Zoom Workplace. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Zoom Workplace tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.